The core of your being is fear. What is deep inside yourself? It's just fear. Fear of losing this, fear of losing that, failing here, or some other worry there. The object of fear could be changing. Neanderthal man had his own reasons to be frightened of. The ancient man who was hunting had his own reasons to be afraid of. So also the medieval man. And modern man has his fear of a stock market crash or his wife running away from him. So you have all kinds of fears, but basically fear has continued throughout human history. Because as long as you exist, there would be fear. Because you are not supposed to exist. You are only an illusion. And every moment there's a struggle to survive. Unless mental formations are going on all the time, you would just cease to be there. If the brain stops creating these mental formations, you would be gone. And nature is trying to make that happen. God is trying to make that happen. But you are resisting it because you are afraid to be gone. You are scared. You think it's terrible to be gone. But what you do not realize is, when you are gone, it is the greatest joy you could ever imagine. Those who have left, you should ask them. I have around me so many people who don't exist, who are gone. They live in joy 24 hours of the day. Nothing ever affects them. Because as long as you exist, you will suffer. Because you do not suffer. You is equal to suffering. If you are there, that is suffering. To exist is to suffer. Because you have no business to exist. It's a limitation, it's a narrowing down. It's not the truth. When you are gone, what is there is causeless love. Simply love for no reason. The love which you know has a reason. This love has no reason. It is just there. You see a dog, you love it. You see an ant, you love it. You see a human being, you love him. It's just there for no reason. And what about this joy? Your joys have got limits. This joy has no limit. All this happens because you are not there. If you are there, the love which you know has a reason, which is not love. The joy which you know has a limit, and the joy which has limits is no joy at all. You have to jump into it not knowing how to swim. You have to take a plunge. You take a plunge, it's all over.